Stop the merry-go-round. If you're a busy professional, a doctor, lawyer, consultant, you know the pain. You hire, you train, and then they leave. That revolving door of employee turnover isn't just annoying, it's a silent killer of your practice's profits. We're not here to talk about just virtual assistants. We're here to talk about a strategic competitive advantage. Let's get real about the numbers. The average cost to replace just one employee is estimated to be 6 to 9 months of their salary. Where does that money go? 1. Recruitment fees. 2. Training time. Wasted hours from your senior staff. 3. Lost productivity. The weeks it takes for a new hire to get up to speed. That $20,000 loss from one turnover is money you could have spent growing your practice, or simply putting back in your pocket. It's a broken system. Now let's talk about the smart alternative, the virtual assistant solution. A VA isn't just a lower hourly rate, it's a total cost restructuring. You eliminate overhead, no payroll taxes, no health insurance, no paid time off, and zero recruitment costs when you scale. Your cost is predictable, project-based, and focused purely on output. You pay for productivity, not downtime. That's financial efficiency. You might be seeing services out there, maybe a name like virtual assistants for doctors, and thinking that's your only choice. Think bigger. Those services lock you into a niche. We offer you something better. Maximum customization and flexibility. Why hire a VA who only knows one industry when you can have a specialist perfectly matched to your unique processes? We give you access to a wider pool of talent, providing specialized VAs for operations, marketing, and administration, not just one box. Your practice is unique. Your support should be too. Stop paying the hidden tax of turnover. Start investing in a flexible, expert solution that truly understands the economics of your business. Ready to turn your most expensive problem into your biggest competitive advantage? Click the link below to schedule a free cost analysis. Let us show you exactly how much your current turnover is costing you and the six-figure savings you can achieve with a smarter VA strategy. Stop reacting to turnover. Start strategically growing your business.